Tourism Minister Rohan Khaunte on Thursday announced that the Donapaula jetty, which has been closed to the public due to renovation works for several months, is set to be open to the public on December 1st. The famous Donapaula jetty is a major tourist attraction in the state. After controversy, allegations and rumours between two opposing panels, Vipul Phadke beat Mahesh Desai by 3 votes to be elected as president of the Goa Cricket Association. The panel flaunted by Vipul already included the secretary who was elected unopposed. Last few days of warm weather before cool winter days set in. Beautiful sunny weather will see the month end and it may get just a little warmer closer to Halloween night. Friday's weather will be pleasant. Light fog is expected at a few places early in the morning and the sun will warm things up in the afternoon. Highs are forecast to touch 33 degrees Celsius and there may be a slight chill in the air by the evening. Lows to drop to 21 degrees Celsius. Students in Padi are being forced to sit in a dilapidated school building that parents and locals fear could come down at any time. The Sarpanch, who is also an ex-student of the school, criticized the lack of attention. The toilets are without water and its walls have developed cracks. However, when asked, officials say that the process of issuing a tender is ongoing.